Click, click, click. You can have different type of studio step with only clicking. Wanna know how to do this? Let's design it. These are the things you have to consider while recording your video. Stand in front of a plain wall and make sure the camera isn't shaking and the light isn't changing. After you recorded your video, open it in Premiere Pro. You can use other video editing softwares as CapCut, Camtasia or any other video editing apps that have the ability of masking. I recommend you to do color grading first. If you want to add color grading, go to Window and do Lumetri Color. I'm not gonna do that. Click on the camera icon and export the frame. I'll name it Screenshot and export it to desktop. Go to a website called Photopea.com. It is another alternative for Photoshop. I have Photoshop installed, but maybe you don't. That's why I'm using it. Create a new project. On the width here write 9020 multiplied by 2 to get the double size of Full HD format, which is 4K. Do the same to the eye, 1080 multiplied by 2, 300 dot per inch. Before clicking on the create, change the background color to a slightly different color. You will find out later why. Ctrl+N+O and open the frame you just extracted. Move it to the document you created. Ctrl+Alt+T and resize your photo as you want. I want this to be larger. I think I have to change the background color. From here, choose a solid color and change the color. It is time to export the image. Go to File, Export and choose JPG format. Click on Save. Here is Adobe Firefly. It's our genie. It is going to help us on generating the studio. You have to sign in first to get this window. From here, choose the generative file. Now upload the photo here, the one we just created in Photopea. Brush around the space you want to have your studio generated. Only keep the area around yourself for your movements. If you recorded your video and you don't have that much movement, you will get the best result. Add your prompt to generate your studio. The only boundary is your imagination. The possibility to create your studio is endless. Now I'm clicking on Generated. Here is our studio. It has generated multiple photos. You can pick any of them. I'm going to download them all. I want to try one more time to generate a new one. Just adding some other words to the prompt. After they are generated, I will download them all. Now go to your downloads, select the generated photo, the one you like the most, and drag it to Adobe Premiere Pro. Extend the motion here and bring the scale to 50%. 50% of 4K would be Full HD. Bring the opacity to 50%. Select your actual video and bring the scale down to match the size of the generated photo. Change the position and scale to finally match them on top of each other really precisely. The last thing to do is to mask around yourself. Make sure you have selected your video, not the generated photo. I'll resize the mask around myself. An important thing to do is to increase the mask feather. It will blend the video and the background together. Finally, the video would be on top of the background, and the background has to be under the video. The concept is the same in all the video editing softwares. Extend the background layer all the way to the end of the video. Change the opacity back to 100 and it is done. If you need to change the mask path, click on the mask here Take the pen tool and add some more pines to the mask, then change it as you want. If you're not using this on your videos, you're missing out this big opportunity. I challenge you to use this on your video and comment down here in the video, I used it. Then I'll check your video and see how creative have you been. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.